Pair of sneakers in the very slept on Green Glow 3s. Elephant print box, mint green Jumpman on the top. Gotta love it. So I wear a lot of lighter seafoam, mint green, light teals. I wear a lot of that stuff. And I've never owned a pair of 3s. And the price is right on them. The color scheme fits. I figured, what the hell? So here we are. Let's bust them open. Stay tuned. Elephant print wax paper. Here we go. Jordan 3 in the green glow colorway. Second time they release. Jumpman logo and air on the back. Let's check out the medial side real quick. There's some rubber on the bottom. Says Jordan with the hit of that mint green. Polyurethane midsole is nice and dense and firm. Visible air sole unit encapsulated in the front. Now, I don't know if it's the leather or the particular polyurethane coating. It's a little bit of a tumbled look, but it's kind of soft. Thin cut, nothing thick here. The elephant print is decent. Seems like not suede that's been pressed into to create the elephant print. So some kind of synthetic leather of some sort. Nice and pillowy, cushy on the collar. Let's go ahead and take a look at this insole. See if we got some cheap foam. Do we have some Dream Cell? I doubt we have polyurethane. It is Dream Cell. All right. With that green glow mint green on the inside. Let's go ahead and pull this off, because that's going to drive me nuts if I don't pull it off. With it being right here in my hand. I'll put that right there for now. So yeah, nothing special. Have a little bit of step-in comfort. Strobel's nice and firm and stiff. Pull the paper out real quick. Yeah, definitely can't feel the air sole unit. So again, I've never owned a pair of 3s before. I'm typically a 11 through 14 guy. That's my favorite silhouettes. Really 12 through 14. That's my favorite Jordans. Which I like the 6. I'm going back to the 6s, the 5, 6s, and 7s. I got a bunch of pairs of 1s. I got the powder blue 9s. I like 1 through 14. I'm a 90s kid. Jordan 1 through 14. That's the real signature line. Everything after that is just other Jordans, which I've had plenty of them. I've had the 21s. I've had the 23s. I've had the 09s. I've had the 2020s. I've had a multitude. I've had a pair of 15s way back when. I had a pair of the black 18s, black and blue 18s. Like, over the years, I've had different ones. Don't get me wrong. But to me, the true line, the true signature line is 1 through 14, his Bulls years. As a lot of guys my age would probably think the same way. But at the same time, a lot of guys that my age that think the same way don't like shoes like this most of the time because it's not an OG colorway. That's why stuff like this tends to sit and go below retail. But I've gotten past the mindset of only going after OG colorways. I've really expanded my horizons when it comes to J's, and I feel like more people would get more joy out of it if they do. But hey, y'all stick to the OG colorways, because that means these will sit and get cheaper, and it's more affordable for me to get. But you know, enough said. Nothing heritage wise to really add to this as far as Jordan stats and everything. This channel isn't about Michael Jordan stats. I'm just covering these sneakers is basically what it is. So let's go throw these bad boys on and do an on foot.